Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, let's go ahead, head on over there and put the center tree in, okay? I'll meet you there. Alrighty, here we are. It's time to work on our front piece. Okay, we're just going to come around. This is some violet. I like violet. The color is beautiful. We put some violet there. Now we're just going to throw some water in here so that it can bust out and do its thing. We love it. We love it. We love it. Okay, we're going to throw some more water in here so the violet can just do what the violet wants to do. Okay, now we're going to come into some yellow. Okay, and that yellow and violet love each other. Okay, so we're going to let it love each other. Okay, in goes our yellow, and the violet can play together like that. Okay, just like that. And let's see, maybe some green right down here around the bottom. Now we'll just move that green up. We'll just let it do its thing too. Everybody's out doing their own thing. There we go. This is the front one. This is the money one. Okay. Now we've got all kinds of color in there. Let's just pop a little orange here. A little stripe of it there. How's that look? Okay. Put some water to it. Let it start its travels. Like that. There we go. Now we're going to take some more of the table salt. We're going to lace some table salt in here. We're going to give it a good dose so that it's got something to work with. There we go. Now, be with me tomorrow and we'll start putting some trunks in these trees, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, follow, comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. We have 3 in. Now tomorrow, let's start looking at the possibilities of trunks, okay? Until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you. We love all of you.